Welcome back. It's Saturday, the weekend, so we have a rerun today. I chose the episode from 2022 and added a quote. So grab your favorite cuppa, which today is a Diet Coke. Settle in and let's have a look. Hi there, and welcome to This Day in History for June 28th. June 28th is the 179th day of the year in the Gregorian calendar, 180th in leap years, with 186 days remaining to the end of the year. Today's word is stalking horse. Stalking horse is a noun that refers to something used to mask the true purpose or a candidate put forward in an election to draw votes from another or to conceal another's potential candidacy. This is named after the former practice of bird hunters of hiding behind a horse or decoy until he had reached within close range of his prey. And with that, we're going to start with the birth of Henry VIII of England, born June 28, 1491. Now, we've talked plenty about Henry VIII in the past and probably will again, not quite so much today though. In addition to being a fairly awful human being, Henry VIII had become morbidly obese and suffered from a variety of chronic health issues, such that he passed away at the age of 55. This is the birthday of Flemish painter and diplomat, and I didn't know he was a diplomat until I did today's research. Peter Paul Rubens, born June 28, 1577. He lived to the age of 62. This is the birthday of English cleric, theologian, and evangelist John Wesley, born June 28, 1703. Founder of the Methodist movement, John Wesley lived to the age of 87. June 28, 1838 sees the coronation of Queen Victoria of the United Kingdom. Adolphe Sax patented the saxophone on June 28, 1846. The Treaty of Versailles was signed on June 28, 1919, ending the state of war between Germany and the Allies of World War I. Mercedes-Benz was formed by Gottlieb Daimler and Carl Benz, merging the two companies on June 28, 1920. This is the birthday of Melvin Kaminsky, born June 28, 1926. Only we know him better as the American actor, director, producer, and screenwriter Mel Brooks. He served in the Army during World War II. After the war, his mom got him a job at the Navy shipyards, but he slipped away and went up to the Catskills and got a job in the entertainment industry. Amazing comedic genius, Mel Brooks. You can see examples of his work in the movies Blazing Saddles, Young Frankenstein, Silent Movie, and many more. Happy birthday, Mel Brooks. Malcolm X formed the Organization of Afro-American Unity on June 28, 1964. This is the birthday of South African-born American businessman Elon Musk, born June 28, 1971. Interesting, brilliant, sometimes controversial. Happy birthday, Elon Musk. Today's song is the love theme from Romeo and Juliet by Henry Mancini, number 1 on July 28, 1969. Also known as A Time for Us, this is an instrumental song that was written for Franco Zeffirelli's movie Romeo and Juliet. Some radio stations thought it was too soft, but they came around when the song became number 1. It displaced the Beatles' Get Back that had been on a 5-week number 1 run. This version is an instrumental one. There are also several versions of this tune sung with lyrics in various titles in English and Italian. But today is the instrumental version by Henry Mancini, number 1 on June 28, 1969. I thought a quote from the comedic Mel Brooks might be fun, and here it is. If God wanted us to fly, he would have given us tickets. What a card, that Mel Brooks. Alrighty, y'all take care. Be good to each other, and I'll see you next time. And I think that's going to do it for us today. Thank you so much for watching. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. Feel free to share this video with a link in your email, messaging, or social media. If you enjoyed this series, you can check out the playlists in the description. You can find me on BitChute, Facebook, Odyssey, Rumble, YouTube, and X, as well as on a blog page called No Really. All those links are in the description. Alrighty, that's all I can think of right now. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.